Welcome back. A farm considered to be a local landmark in Johnston County community was forced to close today after it lost a major part of its business in an overnight fire. The fire happened at the Smith's Farm Market property over on Saunders Road, and WRAL's Laura Levine spoke with the owner about next steps and the support pouring in from customers to help them rebuild.
Several hours later, and we can still see and smell smoke billowing in the air. What was once their barn now looks like this. We're standing what was once the shed area. You can see trailers and trucks parked here. That equipment charred and almost unrecognizable. What the Smith family believed would be a normal summer day at the farm.
This morning, shortly after 3 o'clock, I got a phone call from my dad that the barn was on fire. So, I mean, it woke me up out of my sleep.
Started off in flames.
Everything's going through your mind when you're thinking the barn's burned down and what's in it and what's your next step?
It's a lot to process for the brothers Chris and Mitch, who help run the day-to-day family business at Smith's Nursery and Produce Farm.
A lot of equipment and things that are valuable day to day and things that are sentimental were in there, but we're all safe.
Papers, notebooks, and even this old typewriter were scattered across the property. You can see this sign pointing to the office. That is no more.
It just happens. He'll build it back, you know. He started from nothing, scratch, if you will, here. So, you know, it'll be a journey.
Community members like Charles Parrish have stopped by to offer their sympathy and support.
They are precious. They are heart of this community, this place right here. Everybody comes and enjoys it, and all the cars line up.
The major hub included their main office for wholesale plant customers, computers, the employee break room, bathrooms, equipment, and storage. While they try to navigate through the rubble and ash, they have faith with thanks to the people they've served over the last 40 years. This setback won't last long.
Our goal is to continue doing what we've always done, and
yeah, we'll
find a way.
We'll build back, and we're not going to go anywhere. I don't know exactly what we're going to do tomorrow or how it's going to work, but we'll march on.
Laura Levine, WRAL News in Johnston County.